So I've been using traditional floss threaders for the permanent brace in my lower teeth, and I was a little skeptical of this product, but I wanted to give it a try, so let's open it up and check it out. It's a nice little box that fits easily in one hand. You can open it up simple enough, and inside you'll find that there are 30 individual packets of these floss threaders. Tells you exactly right here what to do, tear right there, and every single time you'll find that the floss lead itself, the needle you could say of the threader, is always left sticking out like that. So it's really easy to pull out and it comes out just like that. It kind of has like a little knot to it that you can stretch out. And it looks like this floss comes out to 22 inches long. Can you see it right there? It's definitely a relatively thin floss, definitely waxy as well. Easy to wrap around the finger, kind of wants to slide a little bit. I'd say 4 wraps around the finger and it's nice and tight. Let's see if we can actually wrap up the threader piece on it though. Here it is right here. Let's see if that wraps up at all, or if you actually have to hang on to it. It does, it wraps up as well, so you can just wrap all the way down to the end of it. I think it inserts easier than the traditional floss threaders in between my teeth that I've been using for so long because it doesn't have that large loop on it. It doesn't really have any taste to it. I think this is unflavored. And because it's such a fairly thin floss, it fits nicely even between the smallest gaps between my teeth, and I like that it doesn't shred either. The floss cleans fully without leaving any pain, even in the places where my gums have receded a bit over the years. Look how it just helps clean them up. So this is gonna be really good for anyone with like dentures, implants, braces, permanent braces like what I have, but it's also gonna be really good for anyone who has sensitive gums because that flosser's threading needle is actually really comfortable going into even the tight spaces between teeth. Now, if there are any negatives, I would say that just because it comes in these little individual packets, that does mean you're making a lot of trash. You can just recycle them. And lastly, they're not flavored, and I kind of wish they were.